Hello and welcome back to Cooking for the Yum of It. Today I'm going to be doing something rather interesting, rather unusual. Today I'm going to show you how to make canned green beans taste better. Let's get started. Now step one, you just empty your cans of green beans, liquid and all, into your pot, and you add 1 teaspoon of beef bouillon, and you stir that up so that the bouillon dissolves into the water, the liquid, the green bean water, or whatever you want to call it. And then you cook that on high for about 30 minutes. I know that sounds like a lot and a long time, but trust me. I made this once before and it is absolutely delicious. Okay, it's finally reached boiling. And like I said, we're going to let that boil for 30 minutes. Or until all the moisture has been boiled away. I forgot to mention that. Don't forget, you will also need to occasionally stir, but not a lot, just occasionally. It's boiling away really well. Okay, it's now been about half an hour, but we still have a little bit of excess moisture, so I'm going to dump this out through a strainer over the sink, and I'll be right back. Okay, I put the beans back in there. We add 2 tablespoons of butter. And we're going to toss that until the butter is melted. Now you'll notice as I do this that the recipe is very similar to the Julia Child recipe for fresh green beans. Although I must admit, most of the time when I cook that, I'll use frozen because it's so much more convenient and the taste is still fantastic. Now we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice. Oop, maybe a little bit of extra in there. And I'm going to toss that some more. And now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon parsley and toss it some more. And our green beans are done. And now, time for the green beans. These are so good. Yeah, that is just absolutely perfect. I recommend trying this yourself. You'll really be surprised how good they come out. Anyway, that's my episode for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. And as always, eat and enjoy.